How to transfer music from computer to an iPhone. Well, transferring music or video or any other pictures or files from computer to iPhone is pretty basic and simple. Now, unlike Android device, you won't be able to do it directly by connecting the data cable. However, there is a trick to it. What you can do is you can head into your browser on to your both iPhone and on the PC as well, and you want to select. Now, you can directly head into PC as well and simply download 3U tools. So you want to head into 3u.com or search it for 3U tools and head into the official web and download the 3U tools for Windows. Since you'll be using your Windows, right? You can also download macOS version here. Once you have downloaded it, install it and now open it up on your computer. Once you open it up, now using your lightning cable or data cable, plug it into your computer and onto your iPhone. Once you connect it, it should give you a prompt here to trust that particular device. So you'll have to press trust and you'll have to do it through your face verification as well. Once you have trusted it, all your files will be accessible on your computer, and now you'll be able to transfer files directly from your computer to iPhone, or you can also transfer it from your iPhone to computer as well. So remember this 3U tools. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.